They call me Cafe, but you can call me Cafe, the hustler. XL City, who owns the mic?
Ophelia Killer Vibes. Bring it back for me. FLOCAZINO. Charlie, me I say so. XL City Yenko. What the pop? You the feeling for the soul? Mommy, are you ready for the boy to the go? You sold your soul too many times, nobody's buying anymore. But the day I buy your rap, they say your rap to the ball. Who's loose, choose, I go use them, they catch cruise. Look at the rappers old, I know saying hype full of views. People they see me the people they rap, the people they want to they hating on nigga the chap. With the flow, mommy give me space, we go blow. People that want to come, pata will go come last like if the rapper they doing the machine gun flow, go end down with bomb blast. People they rap the past, people they loving they want, they will see the cast. Why? Killing the rapper they die, my neighbor they gather they cry. The people they ask me why, I think I'm Accra. The people they loving they cry, they pa. The people they want to pa, I give them the beat now, in the flop they start to pack the pa. I turn them down to singer. The people they rap the jinga, the people they loving the way they come for the mic. I mean the ginger, look as no be the name. People rap it imitate. $500,000, all these people wanna fly aeroplane. Now who will I go blame? The gods are insane. To me for the rapper, if I give you flow, make you no go complain. Yeah, look.
Say waiting. Attack anybody. I repeat, attack anybody. Where see me they come and you no gbé body. Since I buy watch, I no get time. It's about time. Let's get down. Who owns the mic? Who's on the mic? Who be rowdy like he on the mic? Father with the mothering. Go carve the cops on me. Oluwa stay they cover me. I be squad, I no get squad. I be one man army. And this mic is my friend, I call him on me. Wait, forget the fact, I'm your senior, bro. Better stay off whenever you see me on, bro. And don't chase me, bro. Chase million, bro. Since I'm far from you, like zillion, bro.
Cafe don't come on my compound. No be my neighbor, you can't find. That boy the man who turn pound. Pata will go, that boy the man for the competition will go ring up. Tell a man make a link up. Cafe do broke things for Maraba, Charlie make a link up. I know say you know to get money, tell him make it they bring up. I know say you like my Kosa, for advice you do hip hop. Charlie anytime my people rap, people that my headed to the top. People let me give it you for the rap culture, they make hip hop. Anytime I rap, people that my clap, headed to the top. You go with a flap or they build the top on the Vinny Pass with the flow for the mic like Vinny Pass, Jimmy Pass. Let me give it flow, okay. Link up, see. Rap boy them with them, me flow they scared them anthem, me punch it like I can't tell me track cause you know man them. Yes, I'm getting so pandemic, respect the brand me flow car. We all in white Titanic cause it be the reciprocal. You off the top, I seal the rap in case you flap, I close the gap. People despise the man on the web, mini Peter Parker. Telling me brab you, did your father born you in the manger?
I put myself on the map, bro. Help me shock your Google. I'm the new shit, and you should keep your poo-poo. Once I drop a single, pin, I bust your bubble. I told you I'm the star, and not the one in the bottle. If I no get, I know they spray. I know fish out a bundle. Come they snap, they pay, they post stamps for my handle. But this is where I'm hot, like waiting be whiskey. Even Bob knows this life they call risky. Time is money, like I was told. Time is running, that's who's some boat. Keeping record and breaking it like picky where get with it. Me, I just want to shit it. Cause all work, no play go make me to adore you. So day your day, oh wait, make I call you. See me like sky, that's something above you. You are just like my shirt. If I vex, I go off you. You see it?
2 seconds, bros, you say you go off me. 2 seconds, I be your lock, but I go start to cuff you. You go say my rapper, I go stop you for Kaduna Junction like you they head to Georgetown. Now I go stop you. Coffee, my rapper, I go drink you for night like coffee. I know say that I go take you to my me killing on the rappers Damascus way to Kumasi. I go kill them like Barcelona and I will not get Messi. I hear say now your name become famous. I feel take you from Abuja to Lagos to famous. Let me speak on the mic like my voice don't the shake. Let me give you for the freestyle. We go fit to break you all the week. You go see say me there invoking the spirit of the casket or to pack. Can I your flows? Say the way the people spray me money. And oh, let me teach you flows how you go they make the money. Let me take you on a journey, but the black is never funny. Demonic flows invoke. Me team is rapping talk. I go soak you with my flows. Now you go move on the boat. Teach you like the Jesus Christ. Now moving on the water. Ajebota. Temefota. 2 seconds we teach you quarter. Oh, I know say you go find your girlfriend for the food. Don't see man like you like the girl. You go the smoke bounce for outside.
Yeah. See how I breathe like to the mic. Like say I be God. No go they see me they dodge. See how I raise the bar high. Like say it be broad. And your belly on the run. I want to say on the porch. Real talk, me, I know sabi yarn too much. But anytime I yarn, they say my yarn's too much. And I love that shit. It dey make me blush. Life a lifetime journey. Ain't no need to rush. As I understand, I count the countdown. Even my guys wait for my hands, I know the countdown. I just want my shit popping on the countdown. I know if I wanna count down. Wait, you be no say I sabi rap like this. Wait, no be smoke I dey rap like this. I'm already dope, call me cannabis. I know say you dey feel my flow. Give me clap at least.